So we're actually inside the Anaheim Convention Center building after 2 days of waiting to get in. There we go. We're in. First impressions, how do you feel about this convention?
So much going on right now.
I know.
Just trying to get a feel for it because this is our first VidCon.
And we don't even know where to go to start off first. Like, you know what I mean?
So we're just kind of getting the feel. Back there, we kind of like photobombed it.
They probably are pissed at us. I don't know. So let's see what else is.
Oh, look at the Warble.
American Ninja Warrior. Let's go check that out.
Alright, let's go check that out.
Hold this.
How do you know how this game works? Oh, Ryan.
Yeah. Okay. Andrew, did Sean pay for his ice cream?
No, he didn't. He did not pay for his ice cream.
I think you're a few months late, Sean. You have to pay for your ice cream.
Yeah.
Just so you remember, $5.25. Let's get a zoom in on that. $5.25, Sean. That's the price you have to pay.
$5.25.
Focusing on it for you.
Alright. Teo,
like Teo, Andrew,
reminds me of Timo.
Spencer,
Oh,
wait,
so cold.
wait, he's an emo?
No, I'm not emo. I just like mayo.
No, you're an emo.
I actually hate
This is where we met Red Factory last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, we met him right over there.
I was wondering.
I'm excited about seeing this keynote.
I have no idea what this is about.
Me
so.
either. Not at all.
And we just got here.
When he said
There we go, it finally focuses. So we're waiting for a keynote with the CEO of YouTube and Vlogception. You can't even see the other pack, but he's
wait, let's make that quick.
wait, it's Tripleception.
Triple vlog. Is that
Triple vlog. Quadrupleception.
Quadruple vlog. I don't have a camera. I'm not expensive. I have an iPhone
He's a wannabe
5.
vlogger?
You have an iPhone 5?
Vlogger?
No, what do you, wait. Ready? Ception. Oh, baby.
Vlogception.
Look at that.
Dude, there's mine.
Oh. Wait,
Huge.
wait, I'm recording, you recording.
So we're going to the YouTube arena now. We're waiting outside for like an hour. So let's
I'm waiting for like a minute. We're waiting for like a
We're going in! Oh my god, we're going in! We're going in! This is where the old, the last convention was. No way!
This is crazy.
Let's go! Let's go! So what's up, guys? We were waiting inside. Currently, I'm with Spencer. I'm with Dale and Andrew, and we were waiting for Good Mythical Morning to come, as well as the YouTube CEO. You might not be able to hear me because it's such a loud area.
Yeah, no one can hear you, Ryan. No one can hear you.
Well, now it's quiet.
It's no one.
I don't really care.
Let me get that on my phone. Let me get that on my phone. Guys, go subscribe. What?
We got the video gamer business cards.
Go subscribe to this kid.
Focus. Come on,
Focus.
Wait, dude. What's inside?
Wait,
hey,
excuse me. What's inside my phone?
What's inside? What's up? Yeah, can you open up my camera for me? Wait. Can you open up my phone?
It's the guy.
Rhett and Link, and we have been doing this YouTube thing for over a decade now. And welcome to Vidcon.
Right, I'm excited to be here.
Take a seat in the director's chair.
Thank you. These actually look pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a Taco Bell guy.
This guy hates Taco Bell. I don't know who hates Taco Bell. He likes Del Taco. Leave a like if you like Taco Bell. Leave a comment if you like Del Taco.
Leave a like if you like Del Taco.
So guys, we're gonna do a first taste test of this random drink. I don't even know how it's made of. That is actually really good. And I don't know what you want to do now.
I want to try the warp.
Okay, so what do you want to do now, bro?
We need to go on the warp wall, man. Look at it. American Ninja Warrior warp wall.
Bro, I cannot climb that.
You just need to believe, man.
Especially when you're wearing fire on your feet and you don't want to ruin them.
I got my Janowskis, man. My red Janowski, okay?
If you had your size in a Janowski, I'd run the wall, you know?
Shout out to my boy Nike. You know, hooking me up with these light shoes.
So guys, we're getting something to eat right now, and I'm with Andrew, Coco, and Dale as well. And we were in a lot of the live streams because we mostly photobombed them.
That's all we have for you today.
Oh, it's actually. What is up, guys? We're actually playing CSGO at Vidcon. We're getting inventory ready.
Inside. We should pay that. I should say on the channel.
What's up?
Where'd you get the pillow at?
I got it inside like this.
We're just watching
inside
a
like the
stream.
entire VidCon. I got it like at the entrance of where if you walk in.
Alright.
If you go in, like you say right there. We're just watching a stream trying to
Oh
find
yeah, dude, that's fucking awesome.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bro? That was the best handshake I've ever had.
I know, right?
That's a dude. What happened to his hair?
I found Waldo!
I looked in all the books. I could never find him. I could never find him. I'm so glad to find him.
Honestly, I thought Waldo was taller.
Oh, hold on. You're making fun of my height. Hey! As soon as you come out here, I see how it is. Nah, bro.
26.
Me too. Yo, I thought water.
No, I'm
Yo.
Guess
how old I am.
What's up? I need a picture with G.
All of it, sudden fam.
Someone arrested at Vidcon, no clickbait. You get a shout out some people.
Shout out to my boy Teo. Shout out to my boy Andrew. Shout out to
People that are not here.
Shout out to my mom and dad back home. Shout out to my dog.
Fuck you, Canadian bitch.
Shout out to Ben.
6 to 1.
Shout out to who?
Manny, shout out to
Shout out to nobody. Just chill.
I'm a nobody.
Shout out to shout out to everybody from our Discord. I miss you guys so much.
Yeah.
So nasty.
You guys know who he is.
Hi, we're here at Walgreens. We're looking for Sprite. I don't know where it is. Like, honestly, where is this stuff? Like, come on, guys. Let's go bomb a nose. I got
What the hell happened, Carly?
Then shut the Sprite up! We're looking for Sprite. I don't know where it is.
What? It got all over my pants, Carly. Why'd you do this?